Hello everyone, Dardo Love here again, and today is Tuesday, and today the baby birds are flying, except for one is stuck in the middle of the yard, so I'm going to try to attempt to put it back in the nest without Mama and Daddy attacking me. So here we go.
Hold it that way.
Yeah, just try to face it down. Alright, put the gloves on. The thing touches with your skin. The parents won't have nothing to do with it no more. And watch out, they're going to start coming down and swooping. Yeah, record the bird too. Yeah. Alright. Down here. We'll try to put this in this nest here. We'll try to. I can't even reach it. Alright. Damn, it's like this. Obviously this one wasn't ready to fly yet. So I'm gonna put it right there. Alright. Check me out. Point at me. Alright, so success, guys. I got it back in this nest. Hopefully it'll stay in there for a little while and learn to fly. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and get off here. You guys already know what to do. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel, Dardo Love. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Mwah.